Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we want to dive into step-by-step process on how to create the viral hybrid animal creation. First you need to do is to head to 𝒕. Now we need this prompt for generating images. Copy the first paragraph that stops at first creation. Copy it and paste on 𝒕. Once you launch that, 𝒕 will ask you, please enter the first name of the first creation you would like to create. Then I type in eagle. Then it asks, what is the second name? Then I type crocodile. So now 𝒕 will give you the prompt for creating eagle and crocodile facing each other or standing side by side. Copy the prompt and let's head to 𝒈𝒏𝒆𝒂𝒕. Click on text to image and paste the prompt from 𝒕. Choose your preferable size and turn off enhance prompt, then click on create. While this is generating, let's head back to 𝒕 and answer the final question. It says, would you like to generate hybrid version of the eagle and crocodile? Then yes. So here is the prompt for the final hybrid. Copy and paste to 𝒈𝒏𝒄𝒕. Choose the same style as before and click on create. Now the first prompt is ready. Let's check. This is the first one, second one, third one. So let's choose this. The second one is ready also. Let's check. First, second. Okay, let's choose this for it. Now we need the prompt to transform images to video. All prompts will be in the description menu. Copy it and go to 𝒕. Paste. Erase the first line, then replace it with the name of the hybrid creation we are doing, which is eagle and crocodile. Then send. Here is this prompt. Copy and head back to 𝒈𝒏𝒄𝒕. So now we need to change the text to image to video. Turn on keyframe conditioning and make sure you are using 𝒈𝒏 1.5. Turn it on, then select the first frame image, which is our first generated image, eagle and crocodile facing each other. The second image, which is the final hybrid. That is it. Now paste the prompt and choose the seconds, which is 8 seconds. Choose 8 seconds. Then click on create. Going for generation. Done. Here is the final result. That's so nice. So for the duration of the video to be more longer, we need the second prompt. Paste it on 𝒕 and say, now let's assume we have created the hybrid of eagle and crocodile. After that, put on full stop, then paste, send it, and you will get the prompt. Copy and head back to 𝒈𝒏𝒄𝒕. So here we are using image to video also. Make sure it is 𝒈𝒏 1.5. Select the hybrid image, which is this one. Paste the prompt. Make sure this is at 4 seconds, not 8 seconds again. Then click on create. Going for generation, and here is the result. So the first one we generated is 8 seconds, while this is 4 seconds, which will definitely make your video longer. And that is it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video. All prompts will be in the description.